Man, the place is awesome. So the sun is out already. We actually waited for a long time, and right now we are trying to scare off the cows so that they don't attack us. I think it's enough. I hope there is none ahead. Man, that was a huge group of cows. No, that's tricky. That's an amazing place.
कहीं और भी तो ढूंढना पड़ता है ना फिर, नहीं तो कहीं और जाते हैं तो कहते हैं यार यहाँ 3 लीटर पानी लाया हूँ तेरे कहने पे। क्या लाया?
Oh man. It's literally scary stuff. Might not be looking as scary as it is because you can't feel the way bike is slipping and skidding because these stones are all loose and they're pretty deep. Oh man. Ooh. I think we're done. There is another decline. It's even steeper. Definitely not something you want to do every day. Definitely again, but not too frequent. maybe once in a while is fine. And the place is awesome. मस्त है.
क्या हुआ है?
कोई नहीं फंसा अभी तक तो. नहीं, गैप बना रहे थे. As stupid as I can be, I came from there, right from there, traversing over there and came here. I forgot to turn the camera on. Okay, let me turn it around. It's gonna take a while. After that, going backwards, I think I'm gonna record. Need to maintain the distance. Oh, a traffic jam that we all love.